Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. Most of us LEGO Friends fans agree that last year's advent calendar was the best by far, and I wanted to use these little cuties for a build because they're just so gorgeous. So let's build something fun. You will need two 8x16 plates for this, and this is so you can open it up. Now if you see there, I've popped a hinge on and I've tested it that it's opening the right way. With the bricks, use up whatever colours you have, but you just got to make sure that when you place the bricks on, that you can open your package up, because this is going to be an opening and closing present. This 2x3 plate with some 1x2 plates on there, it's going to be for a shelf that's going to be on the wall, and it's going to hold something really pretty. So I've added those two snot bricks there, the studded bricks, and that's to put something there on the wall. And if you can see how I've decorated the present, it's to make it look like there's ribbon going down the side of it. And the top of this you will need to smooth out with some tiles because we're going to be putting a lid on later. So here's the little Christmas garland that's going on the wall. There's some little lights on there too. We have the oven. So I used up most of the parts from last year's calendar. So the yummy cake and some milk. Here's the little mixer and the little rolling pin for the little biscuit. Yum! So that's like a little kitchen area. Need to pop in the piano so we'll have some music happening. And over here, the Christmas tree. You can use last year's Christmas tree, but I wanted to use this one from my Christmas Main Street because I thought that one was cute. And we need a present for each of the girls. So there and there, and then Emma's painting stand. I wanted to fit that in because I thought that was so cute. So I just need to jam it in there. And there's the little snow globe. You can use the one from the advent calendar, but I had that one. Oh, I thought that one was so cute. Now over here we need a little rug, and you need those round jumper plates there because there's going to be some chairs there later. In the lounge room we need a fireplace, and I've just increased the height by 1 brick and added that chimney in there because I want to fit all the stockings for the girls. And I made all the stockings in their colours that I had, and they're going to hang up on the chimney. I had to include this kitty stand, and there's a cute little baby kitty. That's going there in the corner. Oh, that fits perfect there. And the lamp. Now I know it's an outside lamp, but I thought it'd make a pretty cool indoor lamp with that wreath decoration too. And now here are some chairs. So some comfy armchairs in 2 different colours. I have made this. I've popped in a little jumper plate there. That's so the girls can sit on there nice and comfortably, but you don't have to add that if you don't want to. And then I've made a blue one also. Same design, just different colour. Next is a little coffee table with the teacup and lots of yummy bickies there. Oh, how cute. Let's pop the girls in. They are loving their little lounge area. And Emma's gonna turn her back on us because she's busy painting. pop the little puppy dog in. And we need the storybook also, so we'll pop that in there. Close it up. Hang on. Need to move the puppy dog. That's better. It closes. Now we need the lid. So 16 by 16, and this is how I decorated it. I popped the dots tiles on so it looks like polka dots, and then continued the magenta and white to make it look like the ribbon. And now we need to do a big bow on top. Be creative, use whatever colours you have. I just wanted to continue the white on, and that's how that looks. So we're going to stick that on top, and look at that, fits perfect. It is a Lego box present. Then you take the lid off and open it up to play. Here's something a little fun to build. Use up whatever bricks you have, whatever colours. You can even put your city calendar things in there, or make a Harry Potter one, would look pretty good. But I love colour, and I wanted to put the little cuties in from last year in here. You can even make it into a bedroom rather than a lounge room if you want. So there's lots of different things that you can build with this, and it's great, you can take it with you. So pop the lid back on, it closes, and you've got everything inside. I hope I've given you some ideas on how to make your Christmas present, or a birthday present even. So everyone, get your bricks out, get building, and get creative.